Omaha Computing Solutions has shared some simple and effective tips on creating bootable USB drives. This process allows users to store and run different operating systems or tools directly from a USB device. To start, ensure you have a USB drive with enough space to hold the bootable files. First, you need to download a tool like Rufus, UNetbootin, or Etcher, recommended by Omaha Computing Solutions, to create the bootable USB drive. Once you have the tool installed on your computer, insert the USB drive and open the software. Next, select the ISO file of the operating system or software you want to boot from the USB drive. This file contains all the necessary information to make your USB drive bootable. Follow the tool's instructions to transfer the ISO file onto the USB drive. After the tool finishes transferring the files, safely eject the USB drive from your computer. Now your USB drive is ready to boot from any compatible device. Simply insert it into the device you want to boot and restart the system. Remember, creating a bootable USB drive can come in handy for various tasks like installing a new operating system, troubleshooting a computer problem, or running diagnostic tools. Omaha Computing Solutions tips make the process easy and accessible for all users. If you need help at any point, call Omaha Computing Solutions and our technicians will be glad to help.